Hi, I'm Spektor Baal, and welcome to the Infernal Divine. I'm an occult influencer and a gothic musician, and in this video we're going to be talking about the left-hand path, and that being a crybaby is a good thing. But before we do that, consider subscribing, click on that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is available. Also follow me on TikTok. I go live on TikTok pretty often. Some who follow the path, the left-hand path, might consider that crying is a weakness, but it is a strength, especially when you're working with demons. Demons have been through it all. They understand trauma and they understand pain. And I have noticed that a lot of people that are on the left-hand path also have trauma and pain. When we are growing up, especially as children, our environment interacts with us. And sometimes there are things that happen in life that cause pain, trauma, how behavior from another individual affects us. At the time that it affects us, we really don't think about it much. But then, later in life, it boils to the surface, and we have to face this trauma or pain so that we could be at peace with ourselves. And this is where the Infernal Divine really help. Not many love to talk about this subject, but it is something important to talk about. The Infernal Divine understand pain. They understand trauma. When reading through the lore of old gods and goddesses, they have been through a lot, so they can relate to us, especially demons like Botis, Lilith, Moloch. Botis, for instance, likes to have you relive the pain while you are working with him. So you can go through the emotions and observe what is happening. That is what is important. When you observe what is happening, you're gaining more emotional intelligence. And that is very important. It's important to observe the emotions that you are going through and react accordingly. That is what the left-hand path is about. That is what the clip-off is about. Stepping back from your emotions and observing them, integrating them, managing them. We can't fully master them. Humans are dynamic. We interact with our environment and many different people, and you never know what can trigger you. And by you becoming the observer, you can react effectively and accordingly. And this will be healthier for the mind. Crying is a very good thing. It helps us observe what is going on, what bothers us, and how we can move on from it. It's an important part in us humans. How to work with the Infernal Divine and the traumas that you might have. Ask your deities on how you could move through this, how you could understand it, how you could bring it to the surface and observe it. Ask them to help you understand and integrate it. That is how you work with the Infernal Divine when it comes to traumas. Of course, therapy is also something that I feel is very important when it comes to learning about yourself. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.